Hi learners, let's discuss about set. And this is for Mathematics 7, Quarter 1, Module number 1. The content of this module is from ADM LRMDS Bulacan. It's from LRMDS Bulacan. Thank you and congratulations to the development team of this module. Credits to the author, language reviewer, content editor, illustrator, and layout artist of this module. Hi math lovers! Are you ready? Let's learn! Have fun! Because mathematics is fun! What I need to know. This module provides varied activities that will help you learn more about the set. At the end of this module, you are expected to describe set, kinds of set, empty set, and cardinality set, illustrate sets, kinds of sets, empty sets, and cardinality sets, and perform operations involving sets. What I know. Your module to pages 3 and 4. Let's answer the pretest. Answer the following questions. Choose the letter of your best answer. What's in? Cross out the words or word that do not or does not belong to the group and encircle the words that goes with the same group. Let's try number 1. We have wheel, electric fan, clock, orange, and mango. Which among the following words goes with the same group and which are not? Wheel, electric fan, clock, orange, and mango. Orange and mangoes goes with the same group. What's new? Turn your module to page 5. Sorting out things in its proper place shows that you are a synthetic person. The problem is, Marco and Tina are preparing for school. They need to organize their things so that they will not be confused where to find each item. Help them sort the things inside the box in its appropriate compartment. We have toothpaste, ball pen, eraser, notebooks, pad paper, pencil, keys, face powder, hairbrush, pencil case, grooming kit, toothbrush, and soap. You have to place them inside the pencil case, bag packets, grooming kits, and the main bag compartment. Let's try at least 3 words. We have toothpaste, ball pen, and notebook. Where do we need to place the toothpaste? Yes, inside the grooming kit. And how about the ball pen? Inside the pencil case. And for our notebook? Yes, inside the main bag compartment. What is it? For lesson number 1, we have set and its notation. Sets. Sets is a well-defined collection of elements denoted by the symbol that share a common characteristics. Well-defined means that it is possible to determine whether an object belongs to a given set. A set must be well-defined to avoid ambiguity about whether or not an object belongs to a set. Example number 1. W is the set of cold months of the year. Set W is not well defined because we cannot say what are the cold months of the year due to the different countries and the climate change that is happening today. Example number 2. Set A is equals to x such that x, or set of all basketball and volleyball players in grade 7 Sunflower. Set A is well defined because you can now say who is the basketball players in grade 7 Sunflower that is also a volleyball player. The elements or members or objects of a set can be anything: numbers, people, letters of the alphabet, other sets, and so on. Example number 1. Set B is equals to mango, coconut, apple, and 3 dots. This means that the set P contains mango, coconut, apple, and so on, meaning there are lots of elements inside the set T. Example number 2. F is equals to open brace, thumb, index, middle, ring, pinky, close brace. This means that the set F contains thumb, index, middle, ring, and pinky. Example number 3. Set V has 3 elements: mayon, taal, and pinatubo. For set B, we have also 3 elements, such as dove, maya, and parrot. Mayon is an element of V, written as mayon, ellipsis, V. Dove is an element of B, written as dove, ellipsis, B. Parrot is not an element of V, written as parrot, is not the element of V. Taal is not an element of B, written as taal, is not an element of B. Set which contains no elements is called empty or null set, and it is denoted by open and close braces, or this symbol, 0 and slash. The cardinality of a set is a number of elements in a given set. It is written as n, open parenthesis, a, close parenthesis, where n refers to cardinality and a is the total number of elements in a given set. There are 3 ways in which you can describe a set. The first one is the verbal description, the second one is the rooster form, and the third one is the set builder notation. What is rooster form? In here, sets are conventionally denoted by capital letters. The elements in a set is denoted by open and close angle brackets. In this cellular phone, the key 7 represents 4 letters. To illustrate this in a set, we let K is the set of letters in key 7 of a cellular phone keypad. Therefore, set A contains the elements P, Q, R, and S. In symbols, K is equals to open brace, P, Q, R, S, close brace. In this set, P is the element of K, which is read as P is an element of 7, and G is not an element of 7, or written as G is not an element of 7. In set builder notation, describes the properties of the elements of the set. In set builder notation, set K is represented as K is equals to open brace, X such that X is a letter on the key 7 of a cellular phone, close brace, which is read as X such that X is a letter on the key 7 of a cellular phone. Let's have example number 1. Y is the set of numbers multiple of 2 less than 15. Using rooster form, we have Y is equals to open brace 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14, close brace. Using set builder notation, we have Y is equals to open brace X such that X is an even number less than 15, close brace. We also have Y is equals to open brace X such that X is a multiple of 2 that is less than 15, close brace. In example number 2, we have A is a set of fruit. Using rooster form, we have to name a fruit. A is equals to open brace, lychee, banana, mango, and 3 dots, meaning there are lots of elements inside set A. Using set builder notation, we have set A is equals to open brace X such that X is a fruit, close brace. The following are additional terms related to set that you need to remember as you go on with the lesson. Finite set or finite set. It contains exact number or countable number of elements. The elements of set A are the fingers on your hand. The elements of set A are thumb, index, middle, ring, and pinky finger. Set A is a finite set since its elements are countable. Infinite set. It contains elements that has no end. Ellipses or 3 dots means infinite or it goes on forever. Set T as mango, coconut, apple, and 3 dots. Set T is infinite because there is an ellipsis after the third element. It means that aside from mango, coconut, apple, there are more elements that belong to this set. Subset, a set of elements that are also in another set. If there is at least one element found in B and not in A, then A is a proper subset of B, denoted by A with the symbol B. Set A is a subset of B if every element of set A belongs to set B. In symbol, set A is 1, 2, 3, and set B is 1, 2, 3, and 4. If X is the element of A, then X is the element of B, then A is a subset of B. Equal set. It contains 2 or more sets that has exactly the same elements. If set A is equals to 2, 4, 6, and set B is 4, 6, 2, then set A is equals to B because their elements are just the same. Equivalent set, 2 sets that has the same number of elements. Set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, and set B is equals to A, B, C. Then set A has 3 elements, and set B has 3 elements. Therefore, A is congruent to set B because they have the same number of elements. universal set. It is the totality of elements under consideration and is usually represented by this symbol. Let set U be our universal set. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. For set A, we have 2, 4, 6, 8. For set B, we have 1, 3, 5, and 9. In the given set above, set U is the universal set. Set A and set B are subset of the universal set because the elements of set A and the elements of set B are included in set U, which is our universal set. Lesson 2. Subset of a set. Subset. A set of elements that are also in another set and is denoted by the symbol for proper subset. And the symbol in the subset is the set itself. If every member of set A is also a member of set B, then A is said to be a subset of B, written as A with the symbol B, also pronounced as A is contained in B, or A is a subset of B. Let's consider the following sets. For set A, grade 7 Sampaguita students. For set B, we have female students from grade 7 Sampaguita. For set C, we have tall students. In these sets, we may conclude that set B is a subset of A, since all the elements of set B also belongs to set A. In symbols, B with the symbol A, which is read as B is a subset of A. On the other hand, set C cannot be considered as a subset of set A, nor set B, since the sets of all tall students is not well defined. Therefore, C with the symbol A, which is read as C, is not a subset of A. A set must be well defined so that there were no ambiguities about whether or not an object belongs to the set. Take note, this is the symbol for therefore, and this is the symbol for such that. To determine the number of subsets in a set, study the example below. Set J has 4 elements, such as sun, moon, stars, and meteors. For its subsets, we have null set or empty set, sun, moon, stars, meteors, sun and moon, sun and stars, sun and meteors, moon and stars, moon and meteors, star and meteors, sun, moon, stars, sun, moon, meteors, sun, stars, meteors, moon, stars, meteors, sun, moon, stars, and meteors. Therefore, we have 16 subsets in set J. For set C, we have 3 elements. We have Earth, Venus, Mars. For its subset, we have empty set or null set, Earth, Venus, Mars, Earth and Venus, Earth and Mars, Venus and Mars, Earth, Venus, Mars. Therefore, we have 8 subsets for set C. Any set has at least 2 subsets, the empty set and the set itself. In finding the number of subsets, we may use the formula S is equals to 2 raised to the nth power. For example, if the set has 4 elements, then 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equals to 16. It means there are 16 subsets. Lesson number 3. Operations on set. Union of sets is the set containing the combined elements of 2 or more sets and is denoted by this symbol. Let's find A union B. The elements of set A is 1, 2, and 3. The elements of set B is 3, 4, and 5. To find A union B, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 because these are the combined numbers that you can see on set A and set B. Intersection of sets is a set that has common elements and is denoted by this symbol. Now, let's find the intersection of set C and set D. For set C, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. For set D, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and 24. Now, let's find C intersect D. We have 6, 12, and 18. These are the numbers that you can see on both C and D. If two sets had at least one common element, then the sets are joint sets. However, if two sets do not have a common element, then the sets are called disjoint sets. Let's try other example. Find the union and the intersection of the given sets. W is equals to Rose, Sampaguita, Dahlia, Daisy. For set X, we have oregano, rose, and aloe vera. We need to find the union of W and set X. Yes, we have rose, Sampaguita, Dahlia, Daisy, oregano, and aloe vera. For W intersect X, we have rose. We only have one element for the intersection. Let's try this one. We have set Y is equals to mango, avocado, coconut, guyabano. For set Z, we have guyabano, cotton, rubber, and coconut. We have Y union Z. We have mango, avocado, coconut, rubber, and cotton. These are the elements that you can see on both Y and Z. For Y intersect Z, we have coconut and guyabano. We only have two elements for the intersection because these are the elements that are common in set Y and set Z. Are you ready to answer your module? Good luck! What's more? To answer independent activity number 1, turn your module to page 11. For letter A, write W if the given set is well defined, and N if not. Write your answer on the lines provided. For letter B, match the set being described in column A with its rooster form in column B. Write the letter of your answer on the space provided before each number. For letter C, match the set being described in column A with its set builder form in column B. Write the letter of your answer on the space provided before each number. Independent assessment number 1. Turn your module to pages 11 and 12. For test A, write W if the given set is well defined, and N if it is not. Write your answer on the lines provided. For test B, write its set in Brewster form. Write your answer on the lines provided. For test C, write its set in set builder form. Write your answer on the lines provided. Independent activity number 2. Turn your module to page 12. For test A, state whether the following: if finite, infinite, or empty set. If the set is finite, give its cardinality or its element. For test B, determine the number of subset of each set. Write your answers on the space provided before each number. For independent assessment number 2, turn your module to page 13. For test A, state whether the following: if finite, infinite, or empty set. If the set is finite, give its cardinality or its element. For test B, list all the subsets of its set on the lines provided. Independent activity number 3. Turn your module to page 13. Given the sets below, determine the elements of the set that follow. Write your answer on the line provided. For independent assessment number 3, turn your module to page 14. Given the sets below, determine the elements of the set that follow. Write your answer on the line provided. What I have learned. For what I have learned, turn your module to pages 14 and 15. Fill in the blanks with the correct word or words, symbol or symbols to complete its thought. What I can do. For what I can do, turn your module to page 15. Refer to the given sets below, then perform what is being asked in the following instructions. Assessment. I know that you have learned a lot. Turn your module to pages 16 and 17. Write only the letters of the correct answer on the space provided. Additional activity. For your additional activity, turn your module to page 17. Answer the following based on the given instruction below. Write your answer on the lines provided. References.